Hey lovelies, today we have the Asus TUF A16 gaming laptop that I just recently got on sale from Best Buy. It was $699 and this was originally marked down from $1,100. So that was a pretty good Black Friday deal, I believe. And so far from what I've seen and experienced, it is a pretty good gaming beast of a laptop for that price. It was the Ryzen 7735HS 8-core CPU with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 at 4800. And then we got the 512 gigabyte storage, which is like, what am I going to do with that? But I've already put a 2 terabyte Samsung Pro 980 in there. And so that's working great, and everything's kind of just going really good with it for the price that I got it. And this is going to be a video about it. Hey lovelies, today we are going to be trying to put a 2 terabyte storage into the new laptop, which is the Asus TUF A16 AMD Advantage, and this one has the 7735HS processor with 8 cores, and then it has the 7700S, and I see a lot of videos on YouTube with the 7600S, but this one has the 7700S. I don't see a lot of videos on the 77. Anyway, so we're going to take our screwdriver and our makeshift spudger, and we're going to start with the screws. We have about 12 screws.
Kind of wish the screwdriver had a magnet. Be pretty nice. So the storage we're putting in here is the Samsung 980 Pro 2 terabyte with speeds of 7,000 megabytes per second.
Alrighty, should be able. Alrighty, and there she is. Here's the inside of the back plate. More ventilation for underneath. Alright, and then here's all the good stuff. We have our battery, and then we have a thermal pad right here covering everything up. Here's where we're going to be slotting our M.2. Let's see if I can get this up without destroying it. We have our RAM underneath here. And the RAM I want to upgrade as well, so that will be within a couple more weeks. And further underneath here is our original NVMe drive, and that one's only the 512 gig. We have a 90-watt-hour battery, and we are going to disconnect that before putting our memory in. Right, and then for our M.2, okay, and for our M.2, we want to take this screw out. And we needed a little bit more pressure. And take our memory. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. Alright, and that's all nice and installed. Just make sure it's tightened down. And then get your paper back over. And we'll be back in here in like a couple of weeks or the next week or two to upgrade the RAM. Because this one has 16 gigabytes and I don't know if I want to try and get it up to 64. Voila. Make sure all the clips are on the sides are pushed back in. Then you should be good to put all your screws back in. Let's boot her back up.
Team leader to squad. Box check. Repeat. Kill team leader to squad. Confirm Fox contact. Christ. Still position. Do you have the virus bomb? Moving to lost contact with brother. Attaching orbital launcher facility. Well secured. Airstrike, Alpha! I'm moving to the crash site. Do you read? Inside of the commander. Negative. No contact since the crash. I'm here, Doctor. Coast Guard Square Command. What are your orders? Proceed as planned. Launch the virus bomb into the stratosphere. Detonate it. And watch some terabytes die. The sight I will greatly enjoy. Transmitter must be broken. Focus. The area will be crawling with them. Where's that damn virus bomb? To my elbows, you need to action points. Word for Brother Darius, the commander. It is left to us to share the glory now. Teslas. Hold on, brothers. Now they said logic is must reset them. I will, even if I have to sell my way through. Welcome back. I've prepared some jobs for you.
Alright everybody, that was the 2023 Asus TUF A16 gaming laptop with the 7735HS 8-core CPU from Ryzen, as well as the 7700S dedicated GPU from Ryzen. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I say if you can get this for a good deal or underneath that price and know how to upgrade some storage, you should definitely pull the trigger and get that. Cop that laptop. Anyway. Bye everybody, hope you guys have a good night, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.